Okay, let's try our hand at graphing some circles. Now notice on the graph of a circle you have a center, and what you can do to easily graph is just count from the center over to the edge for your radius in each direction. Okay, and that gives you some points to go on. So this had a radius of 3 in each direction, and that gives you a better outline to draw your circle. Now this one kind of did it backwards. It said, what's the equation for this graph? So they have a circle graphed. Now let's remember, what do we need to know to write the equation of a circle? We need to know the center and the radius. Both of those we can find just by looking at the graph. And again, the form of the equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Okay, so from this graph we need to figure out what's the center and what's the radius. Well, the center is the point at the center. So what point where is that located? Well, from the origin it's 2 to the right and up 1, 2, 3. So it's the point 2, 3. Okay, so our center, our HK, is 2, 3. The radius is the distance from the center to the edge. Now you can't count diagonally this direction, but you can go from the center straight up to the edge, or straight down, or straight to the right, or straight to the left. And it is 1, 2, 3 units. So my radius is 3. Now I just put that in my equation. So I have x minus 2, that was the x for my center, plus y minus 3, that's the y for my center, equals the radius, 3 squared. We simplify that. We have x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 9. And there we have our equation. Right, again, we're asked to write the equation for this circle. Again, the two things you have to write the equation are the center and the radius. So from the graph, let's find the center and the radius. Well, here is our center right in the middle of the circle. It's located at, from the origin, we go 1 to the left and up 1. So it's at the point -1, 1. So our center is -1, 1. The radius is the distance from the center to the edge. So I'm going to go straight up. How many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the radius is a distance of 5. And now that I have the center and the radius, I can fill in the h, the k, and the r, and have my equation for my circle. Okay, so I have x minus, the x from my center is -1 squared, plus y minus, the y from my center was 1 squared, equals the radius of 5 squared. We simplify this, minus a negative is a plus, so we have x plus 1 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 5 times 5, which is 25.